The blueprint is here. Get ready on News 15. Revealing the next steps here is the event you've been asking. The results of Survey 2 are in, and they are nothing short of inspiring. Your voices have spoken with clarity and passion, and the response has been both impressive and enlightening. Now, it's time to come together for the next big step in our shared journey. Join us for the next live global update date, Saturday, September 27th time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time.
Link will be here.
This will be a landmark event you won't want to miss. We will unveil the detailed results of Survey 2, so you can see for yourself the powerful commitment expressed by your fellow community members. And at long last, we will reveal the first steps of our transition into achieving our big, bold, beautiful shared dream. This is more than an update. It's a turning point. Please mark your calendars, spread the word, and invite others to witness this next chapter as it unfolds. This live global update is open to all. Everyone is welcome. No caps, no limits, just us together, with boundless access for a boundless future together. We are stepping into a future filled with promise. The best is not behind us. It's about to be revealed, calling all visionary founders and rock star affiliates. Mark your calendars and clear your schedules for a game-changing global event. On Saturday, September 27, 2025, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time.
We are hosting a power-packed webinar that you absolutely cannot afford to miss.
Now, let's be crystal clear. This is not the official company launch. This is something even more critical. This is your exclusive front row seat to the future. The one and only Mr. Ashmufareh himself will take the stage to unveil the master plan and break down exactly what's coming next. He will reveal the blueprint for our success and show us precisely how we will dominate the next chapter together. This is the strategic briefing that will set the stage for everything to come. If you want to be ahead of the curve, you need to be on this call. The energy is going to be electric. Everyone who attends will walk away energized, informed, and ready to conquer. You do not want to be the one left wondering what everyone is so excited about. We have never been closer to making history. This Saturday, we take the single most important step on our new journey so far. So, get plenty of rest and be ready. We are in for an incredible momentum-shifting afternoon that will redefine what's possible. We'll see you there.